Okay, this is the maiden flight of my Mavic Mini 2. I just got it. This is my very first flight. I have no idea what I did have a Mavic Pro 2, which I liked, but I sold it. And my son gave me this as a present. So today's my first day at trying it. And it is a little bit windy, but I have flown in bigger winds than this before with the Mavic Pro 2. And I had no idea that this would get blown all over the place. So anyway, I'm going to go up. I actually did start to record this in 4K at 30, which is the best this can do. And, everything's cool. I didn't notice it, being tossed around by the wind or anything. I should have been paying more attention, I guess. It got up a little bit dark. I probably need to lighten that up a little bit. I did. And there we are, just sort of circling around for my back porch. And a lot of trees in this area, a lot of big, tall trees. Tall. Anyway, I don't know if you can tell or not. It is, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Getting too close to a tree. Oh my gosh. I still have sight of it, at least I thought I did. And, well, I didn't. It just, right in a tree, right there. And all of a sudden, I got messed up with the tree pines. There it goes. Oh my God, it did a 360, but it corrected itself. How about that? How about that, boys and girls? It corrected itself. And I'm impressed. So now all I had to do, and I couldn't see the drone. It was lost. I was out of sight. I had no idea where it was at. So I went ahead and opened up maps, and I kind of pirouetted around a bit to see what my problem was. And sure enough, I'm right in the middle of a tree. Right there. I'm surprised I'm not tangled up with it right now. Anyway, I decided I'll just back it up real slow. Just back it up. Back it up. So I'm backing it up. I still can't see it. I have no idea where it's at. I'm relying 100% on my screen view and just back it, and my map. I needed that map. I wouldn't have survived without that map. Anyway, then, once I felt I was clear, just go to a higher altitude where I would be above the tree. And I was above the tree. I could back off, and I think it was right about here where I spotted it. And from this point, it was, I could see it blowing all over the place. And I didn't know if it was because it was damaged or because of the wind or both or what. But I did manage to bring it back home and land it. And I had to replace 2 of the propellers. But Maiden Voyage, man, oh man, what a, no more windy days with this thing, that's for sure.